Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video, but if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. And here I am again with another wax product. This is just a block of wax and I'm going to use this to make a small paper airplane. I think that this can be about the right size, maybe a bit smaller for the thickness of the airplane. And I'm going to scribe a line onto the block of wax. And my first step will be cutting this part out. So I made this little drawing of a paper plane, or at least what the top of it should look like. And I'm going to attach it to my little wax block with some tape. And because nothing really sticks on wax, I am transferring the drawing with my scribe tool. And I'm doing so by pressing in some points along the line that I'm going to have to cut. And that should do it. And if you are working on something, if it is in silver or in wax, give the back of the pendant or whatever it is you're working on the same amount of attention as the front, because as you can see, the front is nice and I'm going down here. The front is nice and symmetrical, but the back isn't yet. And I'm going to use this triangular file to make the indentations that I want, or to cut out the middle part. Because this is exactly the shape that I want it to be. I drop this little plane in some water to clean off all the dust. And there is still some cleaning up to do, especially on the back side. I am very happy with how the front is looking. As you can see, I made a little mistake here and I tried to fill it up with some wax. I just melted some wax, dropped it on there and sanded it again. So that is why that's looking a bit lighter. And in one of my upcoming tutorials, I will show you how you can do this. And of course, you can just experiment yourself. I think that is often the best way to learn.